Yo, what is up guys? Sam Pack here, back with another video, and today we're checking out the Clouvou BrightSeat office chair. And this might be one of the best first desk setup upgrades you can make, especially if you're on a budget, so let's get right into it. So first off, let's get into the design. So I'm not gonna lie, this chair looks really good. I was genuinely surprised after putting it together. It has that classic ergonomic chair look, nothing crazy, but it feels clean, modern, and something that fits into almost any setup. You've got a built-in lumbar support which helps you with your lower back, and it's all adjustable. The armrests are adjustable as well, and you can move them up and down, forward, backwards, and you can really dial in your setup. The only thing you can't do is turn them in or out. The neck rest is one of my favorite parts of the chair. I love the office chairs that have a neck rest because it helps knowing that you aren't leaning your neck forward and straining your neck and giving you that turtleneck. Alright, now let's talk about how it feels to actually sit in it. The mesh back is super solid. It keeps you supported but also kind of locks you into a good posture without feeling restrictive. However, the seat cushion is a bit stiff in my opinion after about 2 hours of sitting. There was some fatigue, especially around the tailbone area, but this might get better over time as the chair breaks in. But right now, it's definitely something to keep in mind when you first receive this chair. And when you recline, it leans back smoothly, far enough where you don't feel like you're falling backwards. It's controlled, it's stable, and honestly, it just feels really solid. And as for build quality, don't expect it to be made with really high quality materials. This isn't a high-end office chair, so I gotta keep it real with you guys. But for what you're paying, it actually feels pretty reliable. I'd say this kind of chair that could last you maybe 3 to 5 years without any major issues. Think of it as a level up from a basic office chair, but upgraded in all the right ways. Assembly was super easy to do. It took me about 30 minutes to put everything all together, and I love how everything was labeled clearly with instructions, and they were very straightforward, and all the necessary tools and screws were all included, so I didn't even need to take out my toolbox. No frustration, no guessing, which was the best part of the experience. So who is this chair actually for? If you're upgrading from something like a dining chair or a basic office chair, or if this is a first chair and you're just not trying to break the bank, this is honestly a good first step into a real ergonomic chair. So at around $200, I think this is a solid option. You're getting good design, adjustable ergonomic features, and decent build quality. So think of this as buying your first car. It's not going to be the best, but you're definitely getting bang for your buck, and it's a good starter that you can upgrade down the line later. So let me know what you guys think. Would you guys pick this up, or would you save for something a little bit higher end? And if you're building on your desk setup, I've got more videos just like this coming out soon, so make sure you're subscribed. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.